Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls, and how are you? I hope you have drafted some ideas from yesterday's. You have? Okay. So, as you give me the draft sentences, then we shall make the sequencing tomorrow. Now, drafting. The first one, who's going to give me the first sentence? It's going to be, yes, very good. So, you need to ask them, what is blubber? Blubber. Very good. What is blubber? Good. It's a form of fat. Very good. Blubber is a form of fat. Good. Now, name some types of whales. Name some types. Good. The Arctic blue whales, and they are the world's biggest mammals. Good. Bullhead whales, grey whale, coalfish whale, and of course the killer whale. Do you remember? Jaws? Good. So, what else? After you've asked about the blubber and what it is, what types of whale are you? What else do you want to ask them? Good. How do you talk? I mean, do you talk to people? Do you communicate? And if you do, how? I'm sure they have a way of communicating. We don't know. So, how would you communicate? Or how do you? Because you are going to be interviewing the whale. Good. Next. What is your type? Very good. You need to know what type of whale you are interviewing. Okay? Good. समझे, ये ऐसा है जैसे कि अगर आप कहीं गए हैं और आप इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं किसी का, तो आप सेलिब्रिटी का इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं, तो आप ये पूछते हैं ना, जी आपने कहाँ तक क्या किया, आप कहाँ के सेलिब्रिटी, किस चीज़ में हैं, आपको पता है कि वो सेलिब्रिटी है, मगर वो सेलिब्रिटी किस तरीके, आर्टिस्ट किसने है, इज़ ही एन एक्टर or actress, singer, what else can you have? पता है? Very good. Model, types है ना celebrities के, film star, very good. So ऐसे types हैं, तो ऐसे ही whales में भी types हैं, तो आप जब उनका interview ले रही होंगी, तो आप उनसे पूछ सकते हैं, आपका type क्या है? Very good. And then what else? Excellent. What is your diet? Brilliant. And next. Good. How many types of whales are found? I mean, I'm sure they can tell me. 5 types? 7 types? How many types? Yes. Very good. How do you breathe? We don't know how you talk, but how do you breathe? Can you tell? Do you breathe like this or how? Good, very good. Yes. What threats are you facing? We know there's a lot of pollution in the ocean. So how is that threatening you? Good, very good. Right. You know that whales are divided into 2 groups, okay? The toothed whale and the baleen whale. And we all know, yes, very good, mammals. Well, whales are mammals and they breathe into their air into like our lungs. Very good. And they are what? Warm-blooded animals. What is blubber? Who can tell me? It's a very thick layer of fat beneath their skin. And what does it serve as? An energy reservoir and insulation. Like if they're swimming in the very, very cold water, the fat will stop them from being cold. Good. Now you want to ask them about their diet. So, what are you going to ask? Exactly. The diet depends upon the species because each whale is different and it has different it has different diet needs. Now, plankton to large marine mammals. So, it can range, their diet can range from plankton to large marine mammals, fish. Now, whales communicate with each other. How? A very lyrical sound. Exactly. They're very, very loud and they can be heard from many miles. Right. What do you think would be the threat? One at a time. Contamination of the water. Good. Climatic change. Very good. Climatic change is also an issue for the whales. Good. So, now what I want you to do, we've done the drafting. What we need to do is now put it in sequencing, which we can do tomorrow. So before that's put into sequence, what I want you to do now is look at the video again and find out how we can put this in order. Okay? Good. And then write it neatly and we'll see to the sequencing and proofreading tomorrow. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.